today's treat from Tinkerbell. Listen.
Right.
Hear them popping? They pop in the bathtub. Is that cool?
And on this side.
Is that cool or what? What are you going to do with these when you take them home?
Put them in my bag.
Put them in the bathtub.
And do some.
That's cool.